Welcome to POS drill number 3. By now you should be starting to become experts at it. Today we're going to be adding modifiers. So that's if people are going to want like sauce on the side, or extra sauce, or no croutons, no potatoes, extra vegetable, which actually happens quite often in cuisine where people will kind of make standard requests. And today also will be, this is an ordering book that you would come to the table with, and on the right side will be a miniature menu that you'll get every week, and it basically is a miniature version of the menu. Goes through the soups, the small plates, the soup, salad, entrees, to you'll have all the desserts, and then also all the beverages. So it mimics the larger menu, but it's just in a handy reference for you. So then we'll go ahead and start to do the first drill. And it's 4 people. And the first person is a lady, and she's going to get a Diet Pepsi. Second person is an iced tea. Third is a coffee. And she also, the patron, is a lady. And the fourth is a lemonade. So we'd ask if they have any other questions for the menu, and then otherwise we would go to the point of sale and enter this in. So here we are at the screen. You enter your student number. We'll pick a table. We'll pick number 1, which is actually the chef's table. So we do have a chef's table in the kitchen. It's a butcher block table that people can reserve and eat at. So we'll just go there. Again, it'll be 4 guests. Table number 1 is okay. And we'll looking at our ordering sheet. We need a Diet Pepsi, an iced tea, a coffee, and a lemonade. And then we'll go ahead and order that, and then exit, and then we'll go prepare the drinks and serve them. Alright, now we're back at the table, and we're going to ask the people who've served their drinks, ask them if they would like to order. And I'll just put the sheet so you can kind of follow along with me. So they would order, first person wants a soup of the day. So under the soup column, you go soup of the day. She would like a salad, and we'll give her the spinach salad. And she wants a dressing on the side. So you could write dressing on the side. Or you could abbreviate SOS, sauce on the side, which also would be the vinaigrette. Either one, dressing on the side, SOS, just so that you know what you need to order. Is it hanger medium? And you need extra sauce. Number 2 is going to get a bisque. And she would like a salad, no croutons. So we'll give her a spinach salad again, and then no croutons. And she wants that steak well done. Anytime you get a steak well done, after you've put in your order, just let the kitchen know that they've got a well done steak, because they can start cooking it ahead of time. She wants no potatoes and extra vegetables. The third person would like a small plate, and I think she would like the risotto. And then she would like the fish, so it's going to be sauteed, and it will be with the béarnaise. And extra sauce. The fourth person would like a salad, so we'll give her the panzella salad. And then she would like 2 small plates as her entree. So we're going to give her the crab, small plate, and the cigars as a small plate for her entree. And this does happen quite often where people order a small plate and get it as their entree. So then you can double check if they need anything else, and otherwise we'll go to the point of sale and enter it in. So we'll again come back into the point of sale system. We'll pick up our table, number 1, and there's where, and this is a fairly easy one. We've got, everyone ordered 2 courses, a couple people ordered 3 courses. So we've got a soup of the day, a bisque, a small plate, and a salad. And then 2 people ordered 2 salads. And then everyone ordered some type of entree. So this is really, you could do this one of 2 ways. You could do the 2 soups and the small plate together as 1 course, and then give the 3 people their salads. Or you could include this 4th salad with the first course so that everyone had something to eat, which probably would be the preference. So what we'll do is we'll go to the starters. Of course, you want to do your amuse, and I'll delete that. We're going to put in your name first for amuse. Then we'll go ahead and order that. The kitchen knows to make that. And then we'll put in the first course, which is a soup of the day, lentil today, bisque, the risotto, and the panzanella salad. And if you did forget to put in your name, you can put it at the bottom of the course just so that there's one name with each course. So then your next course would be, then you could put your name again. And then you're going to have a spinach salad or arugula. And they wanted dressing on the side. So you could go, and again, there's several different ways you can do this. You could go side dressing, and it says side dressing, which would, or if you wanted no dressing, you could hit no and then dressing. So we've got the salad ordered, and then with side dressing. So then for the next one, we'll do a spinach again. And they wanted no croutons. That's a fairly easy one, no croutons. And we've already ordered this with the first course. So that's really, your second course then is just the 2 salads for the 4 people. Then you go ahead and order your entrees. So we go down to entrees, steak, medium, and they wanted extra sauce, so then you just hit extra sauce. Okay. Steak again, well. And then you can go no starch and extra vegetable. So then over here on the screen it says, well done, extra vegetable, no starch. And then you hit OK. For the third person, you've got fish of the day, and they want the béarnaise sauce, and they would like to have extra sauce. So then you hit OK. Fourth, you have to go back to the small plates because they wanted a crab dish, and then also the cigars. And now, just so the kitchen knows that all these come up as their entrees, you want to go in and go into modify down here, go to special, and then as entree. And if you wanted to do the same too, you could go back to the crab salad, hit modify, special, as entree. And just as long as I've got the screen up, we'll take a look at it. You've got no extra side again, entree, you know, is there any kind of allergy, extra butter or no butter, dairy or no dairy, dairy free, do not make, no nuts. So it kind of hits some of your more commonly used substitutions that we have in cuisine. So then after you're done with there, you hit OK. Now at this point, you know that you're probably going to go pick up your amuse so you could fire your next course. So you're going to go down to the lower button and hit hold. And we'll just hit that up arrow. So I'd go ahead and recommend firing the first course then. So you've got your name fired and 4 dishes. So we'll go ahead and just hit order. And now we'll go pick up our amuse. So we've served our amuse, and they've actually eaten it fairly quickly. So we're going to go back and pick up our soups. So we're going to go pick up our table again, and we'll go ahead and fire our next couple of salads. And again, you always, before you pick up your food from the kitchen and deliver it, you always want your next course to be started or cooking by the kitchen. So we'll go ahead and order that, and then we're done. Always exit. Right. So again, this is a video. We're going to go into the kitchen. There's the indoor, through the door, and into the dining room. So now we'll come back into our terminal. We've cleared the soups. We're going to go in and pick up the salads. So before we pick up the salads, we want to highlight and fire everything. So again, you highlight it, and then you hit order. And then your order should be good. Everything's in the kitchen. And you'll pick up your salads and go ahead and serve them. Hit done. Always clear out. Okay, now it's time to close out your check. They've informed you that 2 of them would like to pick up the check and just split it between them. So you're just going to go down to the close button and hit close. And right here you can see there's a button that says equal pay. So if you hit equal pay, and it's going to ask you how many payments do you want to split it into. And 2 people said that they were going to buy the table, so then you just hit 2. Hit OK, and you can see this yellow arrow has a line underneath it. The payments went down to the next screen, and the computer adjusted it for you. So each person will pay $52.66. So this guest 1 is highlighted. You would take their credit card, slide it, or pay cash, and then once that was done, then you highlight guest number 2, and then process their payment, however they're going to pay for the day. And then go ahead and print them out. And that's your check. And that's point of sale drill number 3.